again. Now, I'm in scene 3 instead of scene 1 because you have to go from scene 3 to scene 1. Now, I will show you how to play this, and you can copy this code if you want, but it's hard. I made a lot of differences to this. So, these are still here because I don't know how to get rid of those. You click start, and now you're in scene 1, as you can see. You have 10 seconds to finish this game. You click this one, and this one. And then it says play you won. These are back. It says great job, you finished the game. You can restart it, or you can go to the main menu. The main menu is, what I started in. I can start, and the restart button actually works. The main menu and restart button are easy. Now, ooh, that almost got to 10. Restart, see? Now wait for this timer to go over 10 seconds, or at 2 10 seconds. It doesn't matter how many you get. If you get this, it still won't work. See? So that thing changes immediately. Sorry, but you lost. It says that. You can restart it or go to the main menu. Whoopsies. I made these colors wrong. I will change that. These colors are wrong. Main menu, it works. Now, again, the restart button works. So just wait for this to go to 10 seconds. 4, 5,
Music
6,
licensing
3,
reimagined.
2, 1. There. Those just changed immediately. Sorry you lost. Restart. See? Now, scene 3 is the main menu. Scene 1 is the game. Scene 2 is the winning thing. And scene 4 is the losing one. So I'll show you the code for these. I still have these ones over here. I think I did some. I think it's this one.
Music licensing reimagined.
What? Okay, that's just confusing. I don't know which one of these was which one I made. Well, this is the code I'm using for scene 1. I have start scene 4 if you win. Start scene 2 if you win, which is the winning scene. And back to the scene 1. And this will start the scene 4 if you lose. See? And yeah, right there. Now, I still don't know what to do with all of this over here. Now, for scene 2, it's easy.
Music
And
licensing
I made this
reimagined.
background by myself, right here. And the restart button, very easy. One object click released, or you can also use one object clicked. I'll use this one. Start scene 1. Start scene 1, which is the game. And main menu, same but with scene 3, which is the main menu. And this is the main menu. The background does not have a code, and I just used this one to make that background. I didn't make it myself. Get that background, I mean. I got it. I didn't make it.
Music licensing
And this one's easy.
reimagined.
It's the start button. When object click released, start scene 1. Or start scene 1 scene. You have to start from this one, or else scene 1 won't work because it has a when scene started. So it doesn't work when it's when run. None of these have when runs. And scene 4. It's like the same thing with scene 2. I got this background from backgrounds, and then I edited it so that it says sorry but you lost. That's hard to read. And this too. This one will restart you, which is the same as on scene 2. When object click. I'm not gonna read that, but you can if you want. And this one. I either need to change this one's color or this one's color because they have 2 different colors. I'll keep them the same, I like it. And this has the word going out of it because I can't fit the word inside. So yeah. This is like I think that this is the fastest Rocode review I've done. And yeah. Now, I've tested this code to make sure that it works before I recorded myself doing this. Yeah. You can pause this and copy these codes. I'll just let you look at them. Here's the scene 1 right here. Right in this big one. Scene 2. You already saw these. This is for restart. And this for main menu. And also these buttons I got from the things in ad. And then I made them green and yeah, I put the words. And the code for scene 3 is this right here, which is just very simple. Right here. And for scene 4, restart has the same as scene 2. Here. Why does that keep putting me there? That's just annoying. Now, it has a start scene 1 scene because, yeah, that's the code. Why does that take time to load? Weird. And the main menu. It starts scene 3 scene, which is the main menu. And I really just need to change these colors because this is a bit darker than this, or this is a little bit lighter than this, but however you want to say that. I don't even know what that word is or what that name is. This is just check results button. Why does I think that this says 4 because I have one here, and one here. There's a
music licensing
check results button, check results button 1, check results button 2, check results button 3, and also check results button 4. And this background and all of these are the same as when we did this code together. Well, in my robot class. And oh yeah, I should put this spawn side in there. I will do that just now. Okay, here. Okay, there. Why do I even have a response? But let me just make this cleaner. There, that's better. That's what it looked like before I started recording it. This is Hard Game Like Code 10.0 because I made big differences. And yeah, I added more scenes because I will not know how to make this without more scenes. So yeah. And that's all of my code, I think. Yeah. And I edited these with the shape
Music licensing
right
reimagined.
here. Yeah. Now let me go back to block. And yeah, I think I showed you everything about this code. Oh, and also one thing, I still have these new variables over here because I always open the next code, or the last code that I made to make most things, I guess. Or if we're making a new code, then I'll just open Rocode without opening a code. And I think I showed you everything. Now we are 11 minutes into this, and I think that I showed you everything. And also, this is very big, and for some reason, why do these things just spread apart when you minimize this and come together when you make this bigger? That's just weird. Let me just, there. I've tidied all of these blocks right here. Oh, and also I've changed this one to this because for some reason I cannot click these robots with the code that I did. So I had to change it to this. When you use tidy up the blocks, then it just puts this down here and this up here. And yeah, all of these robots have the same code. Right here, as you can see. This one's this. Oh, this one is, huh? Okay, oh yeah. Huh? Didn't I put, what? 60? 30 plus 30 equals 60. Plus 10 equals 70, but why does this, okay, that's just annoying. 10. I guess I forgot to change that then. Oh, those rhyme. And yeah, I think that I've showed you all of this code now. So, bye. And this took 13 minutes now. Bye.
Artlist.io